The readings are high here. This red soil is rich in bauxite.
This is it. High-grade aluminium ore found.
Mark the boundaries. The mine starts from this ridge to the valley.
Careful with the topsoil. We need to save it for rehabilitation later.
Only 5 meters down, and we'll hit the red gold.
No blasting needed here. The ore is soft enough to scoop.
Load them up. This batch is heading straight to the crusher. Breaking these boulders down to the size of golf balls.
Five kilometers of belt, moving 2,000 tons every hour. Build the stockpile high. The cargo ship arrives tomorrow.
Prepare the loaders. This ore is going overseas.
Keep the weight balanced. We're carrying 50,000 tons.
Next stop, the Bayer Process Refinery.
Unload fast. The grinders are hungry. Grind it into a fine powder. We need maximum surface area.
The chemical reaction starts now. Dissolve the aluminium. Cook it at 200 degrees Celsius. Pressure is rising.
The soda is eating the rock, leaving only the liquid alumina.
Separate the waste. This red mud goes to the settling ponds. Cool it down slowly. We want the crystals to grow. Give the liquid something to bond to. Watch the crystals form.
Time and patience. The white crystals are settling at the bottom.
Look at that white snow. Pure potential.
Dry it out. Fly it out. Blast it with heat until it becomes a powder. This is alumina, one step away from being metal. Destination, the smelter. This is where the magic happens.
We need massive electricity for the final transformation.
The whole aero process, science in front. Science in action.
This liquid salt will help electricity flow through the alumina.
These blocks will carry the current that breaks the oxygen bonds. Dissolve the powder. Let the electricity do the work.
Do not touch anything. This is pure electrical power.
The oxygen is gone. We have pure liquid silver now.
Ladle is full, 800 degrees Celsius of liquid metal.
Clear the floor. Hot metal coming through.
Add the alloys. We're making 6,000 series aluminium today.
Keep it pure. Only the best for our customers.
Casting the logs. These will become window frames and tubes.
These slabs are for car bodies and soda cans. Solidifying the silver. Watch the steam rise.
Every piece has a DNA. Quality control is key.
Extrusion time. Forcing metal through a hole to make a profile.
Look at that finish. Perfect architectural aluminium.
Eliminate the curves. Strength through tension.
Bake them at 180 degrees. This gives the aluminium its strength.
If it bends, it fails. Luckily, this is rock solid.
Electrochemical coating. This metal will never rust. Adding some style to the silver metal.
Flatten it out. We're making sheets now.
Like a giant rolling pin. Keep the pressure even.
Hot rolled coil finished. Send it to the cold mill.
Thin enough to wrap a chocolate bar. Incredible.
Incredible.
0.01 millimeters. Exactly as per the specs.
Ready for the grocery store shelves.
Making blanks for soda cans.
Deep drawing. Don't tear the metal. Lightweight and strong. That's the beauty of aluminium.
Clean edges for the lid to fit perfectly.
Must be sterile for the drinks.
The art on the metal. Speed is everything. Protect the drink from the metal.
Reject any flaws. Perfection is the standard.
Lightweight cars save fuel. Aluminium is the future. Stronger than steel, but much lighter.
The metal absorbs the impact. Safety check passed. 7075 series. Aircraft grade. Lives depend on this metal.
Not a single bubble allowed. This is for a Boeing 787.
This plane is 80% aluminium, the silver bird of the sky. This isn't trash. This is future aluminium. Wow.
Only the non-magnetic silver metal stays. Prepare them for the furnace. Recycling saves 95% energy.
Clean chips melt better.
The circle of life, from old cans to new metal.
Ready to be rolled all over again.
The world runs on this metal, from foil to planes.
easy to carry, won't rust in the rain.
Modern architecture loves the silver finish. Heat stays in, flavor stays in.
Conducting electricity across the nation.
Better than copper for long distances.
Cooling the tech world with silver metal.
Metal that flows like water into art.
Light enough for one person to live.
Stocks are full. The market is waiting.
From the red earth to the world.
The bauxite is gone, but the forest returns.
Mining with a conscience. Keep it clean.
This rock became this can. That's chemistry.
ISO certified. We are at the top of our game. Precision power management saves energy.
The Silver City never sleeps.
Solar power will run our next smelter.
Yes.
Gibbs negative.
I've seen this metal build the world.
Sealed and ready for export.
The infinite metal.
Lighter than ever. Stronger than ever.
Another 5,000 tons produced today. Aluminium, the wings of progress, the strength of the future.